Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss the best time to post on TikTok on Friday. So there's no best time to post your TikTok no matter what day of the week it is. Because basically TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized and it shows content to users based on their interests and behavior, and what works for one creator doesn't mean that it will work for another. But I have some tips for you. And the first one is that you should post consistently 3-5 times per week, because as we all know that consistency is key. And also I highly recommend you to go analyze your TikTok analytics to basically see when your followers are most active. And to do that you will need to switch to business account and go to TikTok Studio, go to all analytics, go to viewers, and here you see folder most active times. And this is maybe a hint for you when it is the best time to post on TikTok. Also we have a video on our channel on how to analyze your TikTok analytics, so if you're willing to, you can go and watch it and basically launch this analytics tool. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.